Hey guys, welcome to your Unit 4 Exponential Equations review. You have a test coming up. So, Unit 4 Exponential, I apologize, that is misspelled, Equations review. So let's look at number 1 and see if you guys remember a few things, okay? Now, is this a growth or decay? So you're looking from your left. From your left, that is going down, so that's an exponential decay. Another thing you can look at is that 1/2. That 1/2 is less than 1, so that tells you it's a decay. Another way you could write this equation is y is equal to 1 times 1/2 raised to the x. That number is going to be important, plus your 0, okay? All right, so let's take a look. Your domain is left to right, so you're going from negative infinity to positive infinity. It's left to right. Parentheses, negative infinity to positive infinity, or you can write all real numbers. Your range goes from low to high. Now, before you do your range, take a look at your horizontal asymptote first, okay? Do you guys see this line that it's approaching but never cross? That's your horizontal asymptote. This is also your horizontal asymptote. Ooh, sorry. That number by itself. So your horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 0. Make sure you write y, or I will mark it wrong because it could also be x, okay? So it's going this way, crossing the y-axis at 0. So there's your horizontal asymptote. All right, so this is going to help you determine where it is. So here's your horizontal asymptote. So what is your range? Low. What is the y value? Right there. 0 going all the way up to positive infinity. That's always your horizontal asymptote going to positive for exponentials. Your end behavior. Left is always going toward the negative, and your right is always going toward the positives. Let's figure out where they go from here for your y. This is your left. As I am going to the left, as I'm heading toward the negative, which way is that arrow pointing? It's pointing up, so that's positive. Okay? So there's your positive. Look on the right-hand side. As I'm going to the right, I am going down. But something is keeping me from going all the way down. And what is that horizontal asymptote that's keeping you from going all the way down? That is 0. Let's look for your x-intercept. Look at your x right here. Are you ever going to cross the x-axis? No. Okay? Your y. Your y is always your a plus your 0. So your y is 0, 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. If you just write 1, I'm going to count it wrong. Make sure you write 0, 1. Or you could even say y is equal to 1, okay? Y-intercept's at 1. All right. Number 2. Let's look at the graph. Now, another way I'm going to write this is y equals 1 times 2 to the x. Your a is 1, and then your horizontal asymptote is 0. Those means the same thing. All right. From your left, what is that graph doing? It is going up, so it is a growth. Domains from left, which is negative infinity, and that arrows keeps going to the right, never stopping to positive infinity. Before you start, go to your horizontal asymptote first. So that's y equal, see that 0? That tells you that this is your horizontal asymptote, okay? That's basically your x-axis. Knowing that, you now know your range. Starting at 0, going all the way up to positive infinity. Your end behavior, left side will always go negative, and the right will always go to positive. Let's see which way they go, up or down. Left side, as you are going down, there's something that's keeping you from going all the way down, and that's your horizontal asymptote. Going up, which way is it going? As I'm going to the right, I'm going up. See how it's kind of going north? Northeast position. So I'm heading east, I'm heading north, and north is positive infinity. Okay? X-intercept, It's never going to cross because your asymptote is at 0. So your y-intercept is going to cross at 0, 1. And there you have your page 1.